Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ke Sarma loong baula dep Ïakren bat Menteri Rangba ke Assam Uhimanta Bishwa Sarma halal ke Jingsha Pynïap Samla Garo ha Rehabilitation Center ha Assam. Conrad lo Ïakren ya Uhimanta bantung ya ke Jingtok kit bat ban pencitom ya ki badan keti ban Pynïap ya u nek Sam Sheng CH Marak ha Rehab Center ha Kol Para Assam. Unik Samseng CH Marak ulai Shah ha ki pulit Assam ha ka atarik naitung bat hadian asngi usha Pynïap Dusmon ha Rehab Center. Halo ke Shah Pynïap ki sangut ha Umpleng East Giant Hills Conrad loong ba umpat yo jing tibnya halor kene bat umla ban kren ha keno kerukom bat kumno kalaja.
Number one, regarding the death and the thing that occurred in the rehabilitation center. So I already spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister yesterday on the phone, and before writing the letter also to him, I had mentioned him to him verbally, and he has assured that he will inquire into the matter, and I have accordingly written the letter to him.
Secondly, the death of 4 people in Umlang East Giant. There are reports about a drug-related death. Can you enlighten on?
No, those details I don't have right now. So I've just come in and I've just finished. So I'll have to go through that. Those details I've not.